Here's the app called Cash Advance. So here you have it, Cash Advance Money app. Yeah, quite popular app. And yeah, so here is basically, this is the app Cash Wave. There are multiple apps which are called Cash Advance, but I think yeah, these are basically Cash Wave. This is the good one. Recently, it's quite trendy. Need cash fast. Cash Wave connects you with trusted lenders offering personal loans and cash advances with fast approvals, flexible terms, and total transparency. Whether it's unexpected bills, car repairs, or just a little extra help before payday, CashWave makes it easy to bridge financial gaps quickly and securely. Tell us about yourself, get matched instantly, choose what works best, get paid fast. Fast, hassle-free applications, decision in a flash, your security our priority, repayment your way, clear, honest terms. So yeah, quite cool. Then you can just open it up, and then you have Cash Wave, and then you can then just go and create your account from here. So then when you created your account, you can see all of the details. So yeah, you can see personal loan, borrow up to $5,000, approval time 15-60 minutes, no restrictions, available even with bad credit. And then there's cash advance, borrow up to $500, approval time 24-48 hours, and good credit required. And then yeah, then you can just see in here. So this is the app. You can always delete your account. To be honest, yeah, I don't know whether this app is the best one you can use. Yes, it has a lot of functionalities, but it looks a bit sketchy, to be honest. You can complete the survey if you wanna. Then you can see all of the questions in here, and then you can also get a promo code if you wanna. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you can just play the game and start the game. So you can see this is the idea, and yeah, then you can just have it like that, and then you can just play the game. So I unveiled 4. So yeah, basically then you can just unlock a promo code. But yeah, that's the app.